Morning all.
Morning.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I need to get the chat up. I need to see what people are saying because someone's probably going to be chatting shit about me already. Oh, you gotta get them.
Oh my
Yep.
gosh.
Helium voice stream. Okay, yeah. I mean, I don't know if that's you or me, Wes, but he is chatting
I
shit
don't
already.
know.
The duck
Somebody
is.
says I'm not hearing Wes.
Yep.
That's what Savvy said. Oh, but now he says he can hear it, I think. I don't know. Well, I'm just reading the comments.
I'm trying to work out lines.
Oh, now Kevin says we can't hear Wes.
Maybe. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
Kevin, quick question. What was your comment on Wes's video like you've got autism?
Oh my gosh.
Everybody's very low.
Okay.
I can turn
No.
everybody up.
Turn me up, dog.
How about now? Sounding better? All right. I mean, I have
Nice.
I have them all on full blast, so if you can't hear them, I don't know what to do. Ooh, what you cracking over there, Palm? What you got going
I
on?
think you could hear that.
It's the Celsius. It's reckon it's the Celsius.
He's got the Alani.
Oh, what flavor?
Orange Kiss, I think it's called. Yeah.
Okay. We
Nice.
don't get that shit.
That's focusing.
Big
That's
boy,
not a UK thing.
big boy energy.
Big
Celsius
boy.
is just coming over. Like everywhere, stocking Celsius now.
Yeah.
You like it?
Just turn that. Hey, savvy.
All right. Well, it looks like we're opening up right around the Kelp mid, so we might be sitting on our hands here for the first little while. What do we have? Michigan sentiment today in about a half an hour.
At about a half hour, yep.
Okay.
Well, I don't understand why Michigan sentiment is so important. I don't get that one.
I don't know.
I know
either.
it's-
You got me.
I mean, I know it's supposed to be a gauge of consumer
All right.
confidence, but
Dave, how about this? All right. Michigan
Okay.
sentiment goes, yeah, they give the consumer confidence, but then they give a prediction on your handicap for the next year. Are you liking it now?
I'm loving it
Huh?
now.
Yeah, yeah.
As long as it's got the
Michigan
handicap
sentiment
going
on
down.
Dave's golfing ability.
We don't want. Well, then I would sell. I would sell. I would go. I would put some shorts in.
Yeah.
That's funny. All right, so levels for today. Let's see what we got going
Here we
on here
go.
on the 15
Markets
minute.
open.
Markets are open. I'm sure Dave's already in a trade.
Oh, not yet.
Oh, what?
I'll let this.
The
I'll let
slander.
this settle out.
Thank you, Cave. Thank you very much.
Not yet.
Oh yeah, everybody congratulate Nims on his successful proposal. Nims is now
Oh.
an engaged man.
Congrats.
Nice
Thank
job,
you.
awesome.
Nims.
Thank you.
I love it. Nice job.
How'd it go? Smooth, no hitches?
Yeah. It worked out pretty well. I mean, we went for early dinner at like our favorite restaurant, and then by the time we were leaving dinner and like walking back along the seafront and the beach, like the sun was setting, so it was like a pretty like good time and like nice weather to go and do it. So
Nice.
I think it kind of went something like it puts the lotion on or it gets the hose again.
All right, so today I'm actually leaning downside today, okay, guys. Free fall Friday
That's-
kind of thing, kind of deal.
nah.
Nah, why? Because you predicted 19,970. Is that why?
Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah,
That's
okay,
correct.
okay,
Right.
okay.
Trump's trying to ruin it. Russia's trying to ruin it. Everyone is just doing these things. Like they bombed that general because they wanted my prediction to be wrong. That's what's happened.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Let's see. Who's in the chat here? Sorry, this is the first time I'm looking at the chat. It's gonna be Savvy. It's gonna be hard for me to be bullish until, honestly, we get over yesterday's highs. So we're gonna have to get above 500 for me to be bullish, or get a pullback into like this 19.1 area.
Oh, nice. We've got a new favorite animal. We can discard the duck and we can enjoy Mousy the ginger kitty.
Oh my god.
All right, so who's all here this morning? Let's see. Morning, Abu, Kev. Ooh, Kev active in the chat this morning. Savvy, welcome. Phoenix, welcome. How you doing, Dave? I see you in the chat. Cade, welcome. Let's see, who else is here? Porch, welcome. Mousy, welcome.
Thank you, Mousy. Thank you.
By the way, I'm short 86.
Oh, of course you
86.
are. Jesus.
Cade, why can't you trade? Oh, did you request a payout?
Yeah.
Oh, you should feel good about that then.
All right. Gaucho is living it up. You got your reservation booked in at Gaucho this evening, Cade?
Sales is busted.
Oh yeah, that's right, Cade. So are you taking Mason out on a date this time?
Yeah. That was the deal, wasn't it? Yeah.
Khaled, Nims proposed yesterday.
I got engaged.
She said yes.
Yeah.
So, shockingly.
Unfortunately for her. Yeah.
Against all of our advice.
Yeah.
Shockingly,
Yeah,
she
yeah.
said yes.
Differently.
Yeah, it was a bad entry and trade and exit from her. But yeah.
We tried, man. We tried to dissuade it, but
Yeah.
I don't know what happened.
Apparently, his fiance finds my
Awesome.
voice annoying and not soothing to fall asleep to.
Yeah, if you're doing these Globex streams and I'm trying to be supportive and she's got like work, she's got to be up at 7 a.m. and there's just you going, oh, welcome guys, welcome to the stream. Doing something a little bit different this evening. Gonna see how the Globex goes.
Oh my god.
She's just like, just turn him fucking off now. Turn him off now.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so good.
Morning, Martin.
That's funny. Why can't you just use headphones? Or
Yeah, like,
do
oh,
I'm sitting in bed. I've just got my phone open. I've not got like my headphones in bed with me. But yeah, I guess I could. This is gonna be a regular thing.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's so good.
Okay, I kind of want Price to get away from this kelp mid a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No glizzies, right? No glizzies.
No.
Well, no, we can't.
I
have
mean, there
them
were
yet,
some
yeah.
earlier.
You had an
Later
RTY
on.
glizzy earlier, but
Nah.
it did what it did yesterday. Did you guys see the bearish? Did you guys see the bearish
Yeah.
glizzy yesterday where it just went sideways for 5 hours to hit kelp mid?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. RTY is not fun. Can I trade something random today? Let's see.
Oh, here comes
I don't know what I'm allowed to trade. Am I allowed to trade cattle? I don't know what I am allowed to trade.
Lean cattle, I think it's LEM5. Don't quote me. Oh wait, I actually think cattle uses the monthly ticker, so I don't know what the monthly ticker is right now. Yeah, man.
Something
where's
obscure.
Martin? Martin's got
It's on the way. It's on the way. It's just been shipping.
really.
Yeah.
Mind sending me a tracking label?
Yeah. It's on the way. It's on
Send
the
me a
way.
Send me a tracking label. That's hilarious.
I can tell you it's going to be a long time and get lost in shipping.
Yeah, it's the tariff issues at the moment. You've seen all the backups
Right,
with the
right.
automobiles. Yeah.
Gotcha.
That's too funny.
It's currently looking like you need to settle $100,000 bill when it arrives to pay the tariff on it. But
I have to
we'll
pay
see if
it.
there's any pauses. Yeah. That's how it works. That's how tariffs
This was a
work.
gift to me as your loyal follower.
Yeah, I mean, I paid the full price for it from the UK, but this is what happens with tariffs.
Unbelievable.
My goodness
Yeah.
gracious.
I ordered a bunch of Primo though, and I used
Well-
the code. I'm kidding. Actually, I did use this code, but I'm not gonna promote an affiliate code on your stream. Sorry.
Phoenix, Lake Michigan's yours. You've just not been there yet. Okay, it's all yours.
I did order a bunch of stuff from the spring Primo collection. I'm very excited for it to come.
Yeah, you can't get enough Grant Horvat, can you?
Dude, you see the duos like the Grant and Phil versus Josh Allen and John Rahm?
Oh my God, that was awesome.
I haven't
Yeah,
seen
it
it
was
yet.
so good. That was so good.
It was the best.
I was really rooting for Josh and John to win. Like they had a
Yeah.
shot. They just fumbled.
They did. They totally fumbled it. What he did to Phil though was awesome. What Josh Allen did to Phil was awesome.
The rangefinder, yeah.
Yeah. Changed it to meters.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I have my own YouTube channel that I work on and produce content for and spend lots of time putting out content for the
Nice.
community.
Well, maybe
And,
an analysis of the golf match.
Reservation is being. Kate, are you cheating on Mason? Are you going to go out without him with your payout?
Where's he at? He said he was going to Spain or something. Like last weekend, this guy was mountaineering in the mountains of Wales, and now he's in Spain.
Nice.
Hey, he's living the life, isn't he?
I mean, what kind of uni student has this kind of?
What?
Yeah. Need
Must
to wait
be
till he's back. Okay.
Must be nice.
I mean,
Delete VWAP. Albu, I got VWAP on, bro. I got two VWAP.
no, I'm trying to look for trade.
I don't have VWAP on any of my charts anymore.
I'm using it as like a context thing, like the anchor VWAP, just to kind of
Okay.
see where we are from. Like, I have one set back to the gap that happened on the 22nd, and that VWAP is currently at 19.024, which is inside expected range. So like if we're expected range low, so if we trade down into expected range low, that's like my get giga long zone.
Okay.
And if that fails, then we get bearish. And then the other one's just like a daily, but I don't know. We ball.
Or at least try to.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Doesn't always work out.
Albu, thanks.
$10 flight. That's like Ryanair. I'm not sure that's
Ryanair. Whoa.
I mean, that's brutal. I think I've taken one Ryanair flight in my life, and that was enough.
I mean, they just play into it now on Twitter of like how shit they are.
Oh my God.
It's all the social media manager does all day.
Doesn't mean best, just means biggest.
Morning, Casper.
But you know, when you go
took
into
a Ryanair flight once. Sorry, go ahead.
No, go ahead, Paul. Go ahead.
I was just gonna say I took a Ryanair flight once, and it was the worst flight of my life, not through any fault of like Ryanair. I just, for whatever reason, was so nauseous on that flight that I was sitting there for the whole 3 hours, like head in between my knees trying to get the bubble.
No, it was Ryanair's
So
fault,
bad.
trust me.
I don't know. I don't
Bumpy
like-
ride.
Not even. It was just too much time in the plane because that Ryanair was connecting from either England or France going to Greece. So we'd already flown from like New York into Europe. So I already had that like 8-9 hours behind me, or 7, whatever it was, and then getting onto another flight, it was just, I don't know, too much time in the air. And it was on my birthday too. It's a tough birthday.
Yeah.
All right, let's see what happens here on NQ at this 360 to 380 area. It looks like we're rejecting.
I mean,
Yeah,
do you
looks
really
like
want
it.
to trade the NQ today?
I mean, not particularly, but
You want to ruin your week?
I mean,
Well, that's a strong statement.
It's not a strong statement because he'll trade it and then he'll just be pissed off like instantly.
well, the trade's already gone, unfortunately.
Good.
Yeah, you'd be risking too much on the short from here.
Yeah.
All right. I mean, I've clicked through every index. Everything's at like kelp mid.
log
I
one in
know.
it.
We got news in 20 minutes about something like that.
Do I load up Red Dead Redemption? That's a question.
You been playing that?
Huh?
You've been playing that?
A bit on and off. I find it hard. I like end up just reading a book instead of like playing games.
Yeah, it's like ridiculously long, right? Like it's one
Yeah.
of those like, multi-week games that you gotta like dedicate. It's essentially a job, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, my mates were trying to get me to play Schedule 1. Have you seen that?
No.
Cade
You just
proximity to
basically-
the French tends to make you feel unwell too.
Yeah, Schedule 1's like one of these like simulator games, and you basically just simulate your life as a drug dealer, and you're just like running around like selling drugs.
Oh my
I'll go back.
gosh.
I've got to water my weed plants. Need to pick up some new seeds. It's just like, is this fun?
Speaking of which, have you watched the new Tom Hardy, Guy Ritchie, Bobland streaming? It's really good.
You
Wait,
mentioned
is
this
this
the other
TV
day.
series?
I haven't seen it.
Yeah, it's really good. It's about the London mob. It's pretty good. I mean, anything to me that Guy Ritchie and that Tom Hardy's in is usually pretty good. So
Well, chat, any of you catch that 360 short on NQ?
Yeah.
I got it for 10 points.
Oh, of course you did.
Of course you did.
Actually, just a little over 10 points. 12 points.
Dog.
334 to 321.
Oh, right. When I said it's kind of in the middle of nowhere and you're risking too much and you agreed you were short.
Yeah.
Got it.
I was too embarrassed to admit it at the time because I figured we were going to be right.
No, I mean, I like back into kelp mid at least.
If I knew I said something. Make fun of me.
225 long. Casper. No, I think if we honestly,
Down there,
if
it's going further down.
we break below. Yeah, I don't like that. I think that runs these overnight lows down here.
Yeah, if it does
If
that.
we
I
get
mean,
down there. I'd be
245 is where it's going to get held up.
I'd be looking at the 100 to 120 area. Is where I'd be looking.
God, I wish I'd have held on to that stupid thing.
Yeah, guys, if you could smash that thumbs up button for me, I'd appreciate it. Helps the channel out a lot. When you don't do it, hurts the channel a lot.
Kevin is short.
Okay,
on ES.
Nim's first marriage. Yes, this would be my first. Yeah.
First marriage.
Hey, it's a valid question. It's a valid question.
Thanks, Savvy. Appreciate you. I know you always do.
I am becoming an old man.
We have a few exceptions. I do have some loyal followers.
She did say
do.
yes, Casper. She said yes. Unfortunately for her, she said yes. It was.
Wes, I smashed that like button even though our lead negotiator said we were holding out. But I crossed the line for that one.
I mean, yeah. It doesn't require too much effort, you know. You just drag that cursor over that thumbs up button, and you punch.
Just leave a little comment.
yeah. I mean,
Yeah. Oh. And if you
I knew
won,
a guy that would always introduce his wife as his first wife. It's like, man, he didn't stay married. Obviously.
I was gonna say.
I was like, dude, man, what are you doing?
a second comment from Kevin. Don't listen to Nims. His calls will crush you.
No, I think they're valid.
I think they're great
Best calls
calls.
I've ever seen.
Nims,
Yeah.
Mr. Fox. Mr. Fox is congratulating you as well.
Oh, thank you. Thank you
So have
very
you guys
much,
set a
Mr.
date,
Fox.
or is this just a never-ending engagement?
Oh, it's going to be a nightmare because she's Malaysian Irish, so she's got a load of family in Malaysia. So I don't
Oh my
know
gosh.
where to do it. My sister's like, yeah, let's go. I want a Malaysian wedding. I want a holiday. So she's pushing for that. Other people are pushing for UK. It's going to be tricky.
I've heard of a lot of combinations, but never Malaysian Irish. That's a first for me. That's awesome.
Yeah, I'm Iranian Irish. There's another weird one.
Okay, that's another weird one. Yep, that's awesome.
Yeah,
too.
yeah.
I took a trade there, by the way. Long off 300, took it off opening range mid, so like 14 points.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
Man, nice job.
Way to
Nice,
not announce
nice.
it too and jinx yourself.
Yeah. Now,
Seriously, man.
now you can
Wait
play
for after
Fortnite.
effect. No, I still got so much to pass this eval. This is a fresh
you
eval.
So you can go and beat up little Jimmy on Fortnite.
Did you guys have like when I had Goose on and was showing his charts? Did you guys notice it extremely blurry on the stream? Like were his charts extremely blurry?
I don't think so.
I remember that. Yeah.
I don't remember
Don't remember
exactly.
that.
I want to say they're like relatively clear. I don't remember any. Like if it had been extremely blurry, I feel like I would have remembered that.
I
but
just
because
remember
they
that.
don't-
I remember people posting in the chat like it's almost nauseating to look at guest charts when they're watching.
Oh.
Let me jump to that stream real quick and see. Like the charts right now on your stream they're like visible. It's definitely a little blurry, but that also might just be because everything like you're cramming
Yeah,
4
it's
charts
small.
into the space
Yeah,
of one,
yeah.
so it's very small.
Here,
Let me go look at
tell
that stream.
me this. Tell me this, chat, if you can. So when I'm zoomed out like this, like if I'm just on a single chart, is everything a lot more clear? Like as far as the numbers are concerned and all that?
That looks the same to me.
Yeah, it's actually roughly the same as it was before. Like you can see everything. Like I can see the candles. I can see where Kelt mid, Kelt channels are. I can see the
Right.
momentum.
Okay.
But like when it comes to actually reading the price, you kind of have to like
Yeah.
squint your eyes.
Even the ticker above is a little blurry.
Yeah, I got nothing. I don't know.
Oh, poor Intel. They posted their first profit in like 10 years and their stock drops like 8%.
I mean, everything.
Huh? I mean, the estimates, it was like, look, let's just try and get a profit. And it was like 0.75 cents like earnings per share. So like 0.75 of a cent they predicted. And they delivered 13 cents. And they dropped 7.7% today.
Martin, a 1080p should be fine. I mean, we stream in 1080p. It's not like I'm streaming in 4K or anything like that.
When's Michigan sentiment? 10 minutes.
Yeah, 10 minutes.
Yep.
All right, I am long. I'm long on the wire.
Oh,
Don't
my
ask
gosh.
why. I think it's more tiredness and boredom.
Boy, I don't know why you did that. I'm just looking at it. Jeez.
What do you mean? Looks great,
I
Dave.
mean,
Looks great.
I mean, we're hanging out below Kelt mid. It's dropping. Where are you long from?
A little bit above.
A little bit of
40k 100.
That is so good.
Well, hopefully you get back to Kelt mid at least. But it's,
Hopefully your dreams come
yeah,
true.
we'll get there
looking like
eventually.
it's looking like it's.
Well, it's looking good. Looking good.
Yeah. That drawdown is
Yeah,
looking
yeah.
real good, isn't it? Here you go.
Hey, come on. Hey, look. I'm down.
that was
At the
pretty
worst of
spicy.
this, I've been down $11.
Oh, you're a
That
micro.
was spicy.
Yeah.
So MYM, not MYM.
Tomatoes.
Oh yeah, okay.
Something,
It's
yeah,
just
yeah.
1/10.
I mean, I
size.
Yeah, I slapped on a starter position, and I could go and add to it.
You are.
Yeah,
you,
that's what I call them too, starter position, and then it turns into I don't have a portfolio position. That
Yeah,
happens.
it's good ones. Good
Yeah,
ones.
Mr. Fox. I don't know. That is kind of what I'm watching today. Is that 5,500 on ES? We'll see what happens here on news. I'm gonna wait till after news drops. At this point, I'm not gonna get involved
Nah,
until
Yeah,
afterwards.
it's
Nah.
just,
Don't listen to
chop
Wes.
you up.
Get involved just before news. Dave said Michigan sentiment's pointless. Right, so Surely the market will think
I
so
don't
too.
understand why the University of Michigan has such like meaning to the market like that.
It's all, I don't know. They've got a good
Oh,
supply chain
crazy.
program, but that's
Whoa, what is that?
who said what when.
Oh, no,
Yeah, do we have a
what's
tweet? What's
on?
going on here?
Oh, God. What's happened?
NQ hit Kelp mid. That's what happened.
Okay. They leaking?
I don't know what that
They
was all
leaked.
about.
They leaked Dave's handicap for next year.
They might have. They might have.
Dave complimented Michigan. That's what happened.
That's exactly what happened.
I'll be right back, guys.
That's too funny.
I gotta figure out how to place orders on Quant Tower.
Yeah, it's not an easy platform to use. I agree. It's no Sierra chart.
Yeah, that one's easy too.
That one's really easy.
But like for real, I have no idea how to place orders on this.
Kev, if you're still short, where's the 100 points of heat you get on your shorts? When's that going to happen? Because that's what I'm looking to capitalize on.
Can I trade off the chart?
Yeah, if you use the mouse button at the top of your trade window,
Yeah.
left click
Which
for
one's
buy,
that?
right click sell. If you got your trade window open,
Like a chart?
No,
you know on this right hand side where it says ask, bid, market.
your trading toolbar.
Yeah.
Let open. I don't know how to get that open. Is my problem.
Oh, just click the like third filled, the furthest button to your right at the top right of your charts.
That deleted my chart.
No, not the X.
All right.
You have to
One
understand,
below
I
that.
can't see what any of these buttons are because on parallels, it doesn't like populate the button image. It just shows me a little box where the button should be.
Okay, look at the stream right now. My cursor is over the button that you want to press. And it will pull up this whole trading toolbar thing.
Oh.
I mean, yours will probably look something like, well, I don't want to hide it. Let me click off slim mode. Yours will look something like this.
Deleted it again. What happened? Oh, wait, it's back. Oh, that's full screen. I didn't want that. Alright, I'm just going to use the order entry thing. How about that?
I mean, that works too. It's just limit order.
Yeah.
But yeah, as we can see,
So I
it's a
have-
terrible platform.
It's not terrible. It's good. I will crack.
I
will say I've used it. It's good. I think it's on the same level as Motivewave though. I think they have like each platform has things they could do better, but like in terms of functionality and ease of use and all of that, like summed together, I think they're very close to each other.
Yeah.
That's my professional analysis. That'll be $55 an hour, payable now. Thank you.
Okay. Can we go a little bit higher? Because I need to take some contracts off before news.
Gotta scale out of my
Have you been,
DCA.
you've
Yeah.
been DCAing into the position the whole time?
That is the skill trading. Okay.
That's funny.
Oh, wait, can I
Come on, a little bit higher.
I mean, the NAS is pumping. The YM's not doing a thing.
Yeah.
Yes, I know. I'm here watching it not do a thing.
On the plus side,
There's a plus side.
there is a high chance of a glizzy if we get lower.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, can I take some contracts off before we get into this glizzy? Because
Maybe news
Look.
will bring us to the glizzy, you know?
yeah, let's not do that.
You know, that is the most difficult part of doing the whole glizzy series, guys, is remembering to have OBS open and click the record button on every single trade placed.
Yeah.
It is it is hard to remember to do that on every single trade. I think eventually I'm going to have to get away from recording every single trade, right? And just go to obviously showing the account summary in full and just showing, you know, random trades taken. Because I did get comments on the last video asking about, like, what other things are you looking at other than the signal itself? Record all and edit. Mousy, do you know how much space it takes to record on your PC an 8-hour trading session?
And then to find it, and then to be able to find it.
Yeah, and then to go back through that 8 hours of footage.
You need an AI-sized data set.
I mean...
Yeah, a fire extinguisher for your processor.
I mean, you want to talk about... It's already grueling as is.
I just want to rewind the tape here. I remember I said it would hold up. It would be all out at 245. Yeah, because there's an order block there on the 5 minute. And
order blocks are not real. Order blocks are not real.
Yeah, Cade, you're probably right, but maybe the drama might help my channel's analytics.
The drama.
Who knows? I mean, shoot, Patrick Whelan got big because he was trading on a sim account saying it was real. That's how he got big.
Unbelievable.
That and raging at the chat.
Can we go up now, Worm?
Got 2 minutes till news.
Yeah, it's looking a bit spooky.
Yeah, how red are you in this? That might not be the worst idea to just
Yeah, I might just take the hit here, brother.
And
Okay,
reset.
all right. Anyone with a better suggestion? Okay. I don't like either of these two.
I guess
double down.
I guess you could do the Kev scenario where you're down enough on micros, you put a mini on, kind of deal.
That's right. DCA this thing, man.
DCA the micros into a mini.
Bring that average purchase price down.
We've only got 1 minute to go. Come on, a little bit higher, little bit higher. Let's get to 53. Come on, you know you want to buy before Michigan sentiment.
Nah,
they're never negative about the situation currently.
No part of it.
I want no part of
no
that. Even I don't do that.
No. All right.
Here, let me flip over to my practice account and I'll throw something out.
Oh, no, it's all right. Don't worry. I will use the Anon line. It's out of my hands now. There's nothing I could have done.
Yeah.
Nothing I could have done. Nothing.
Oh my gosh.
That is out of my hands.
And post the believe meme.
Yeah. We've got 12 seconds.
Annon's kind of completely disappeared, hasn't he?
Yeah.
It's good. I'm pleased.
Yeah, me too.
I agree with that.
Brett just hit 10 points, 17.
What are we doing here? Look at this craziness.
Flash.
What is this?
A whole lot to do with nothing.
Yeah, it's basically what's going to end up being.
It's hitting view app and opening range right now. I saw the spread get up to 20 points, so that's pretty rowdy.
Wow.
Way! Yeah, you with all little faith. All right.
My God, you just get bailed out.
Aye.
If he DCA'd enough, yeah, he did just get bailed out.
Oh. I thought I'd made more money than I had.
What did you get? $5 after commissions?
Right.
Less 3.
Nice.
Green is green. Green is green.
Somebody went broke taking profits.
That's right.
Oh, too funny.
All right, we're coming back up into that 360 area. We get above 360. I don't hate the long. Up into like 500.
For me, it's got to clear.
Kind of disappointed we didn't get the spike down for the glizzy print there.
Nope.
Damn.
Yeah, I mean, so close to overnight low and it didn't take it. Oof.
Yeah, that would have been nice.
Yeah, that'd have been a shake and bake.
Michigan sentiment was better than what it was. Okay.
Okay.
Got Dave shooting a plus 55 next year.
Probably. Well, I mean, in the golf league I'm in,
plus 55. You would have
That's brutal, bro.
you'd have to play the entire round with a putter.
Dave would just walk off the course before he
I would dry. I would just jump into the pond and
you wouldn't have any golf clubs left if you were shooting like that.
No.
To put it that way, they would all be snapped over the knee or thrown into the woods.
I would weight my pockets down and walk into the pond.
Just drive the cart directly into the pond.
Imagine the person who's got the tee time after you. Just waiting to finish your plus 55.
Oh yeah, pace of play would pull him. He would have the marshal out there for sure.
Right.
Exactly. Do the best I can.
Well, I mean, the first, it was so bad that the first week of our league on the front nine, I shot, it was over 50. It was like a 52 or something. And then on the back nine, I shot a 41. I was like, what? I don't even understand this. So it was so bad.
Yeah, you were just getting warmed up.
Oh, God, it was bad.
You always blame it, even if you hit the range before. You say, "Oh man, I should have hit more balls on the range," or you blame it on the range session.
When I was bringing my handicap down last fall, it was just coming down. I never hit the range. I would just show up, take a couple of practice swings, and go. And it seemed to be the best. Yeah, John. Exactly.
Man,
he just shows up.
We are just doing nothing.
This is terrible.
I can't get outside of these. I need to move either below here or above here, and I just can't get it.
I think that it didn't take overnight lows is pretty suspect. I wonder if we're going to come down and grab that. That was pretty suspect there. Although structure says it should go up.
Yeah, I like an attempt at that 500 area on NQ. But I needed to get above 360 and hold above 360 in order to get that long.
I agree with you. And this is kind of brutal action here.
Yeah, I need a break and retest. is what I need. Is pretty much what I need right now.
We need the White House to tweet something so we can get some action.
Of one side or the other. Outside of these two levels. Above 360 and below, we'll say 210.
And this would just... Dude, this is just brutal. Top City. I mean, even I
does not want to leave opening range.
Yeah. Oh, is he? Oh, is he? I didn't know that, Albu. I've been paying attention. Makes sense.
Oh, he's probably going to the Pope's
Pope's thing.
Yeah. Chase, I'm flat on the session. I need to see it get outside of one of these two levels here, and it's just not doing it.
You see that meme? It's got Christy Noma says, I kill dogs. And it's got a picture of J.D. Vance said, here, hold my beer. It's like, oh my gosh. I think he was the last diplomat to visit that guy, to visit Pope. Albu. Albu's not wrong.
Alright, I am back. I have a mini Easter egg.
This is brutal.
Have a coffee. And we done anything?
No, not a thing.
Not a darn thing.
Not a
Didn't this
thing.
happen last Friday? Wasn't it terrible as well?
It was last Friday. The markets weren't open, but
Oh, the Friday
So-
previous
so
to that.
yeah,
the trading
it
was.
was basically as bad
Oh.
as it gets. I mean,
It was pretty much. It
there
was pretty much like
there was
this.
zero movement.
It was pretty much like this.
It's funny, we complain when things are really volatile, and then we complain when the markets are not volatile at all. We just
Yeah.
complain. All right, here we come. Come on.
Let's go. Give us something
Going
to
up?
share about here.
I know, Martin. 120 points, no movement. Yeah. Well, the problem is it's not getting.
Good point.
It's not getting outside of range. Like that's where the issue lies. Like, yeah, it's a big range, but you're expecting the break of one side or the other, and the minute you decide to get in and play the range highs or lows, you know, back like actually play the range play is the time that it breaks out and you get wrecked.
Alright, I'm long on the YM again.
I went long on the NQ in a really crappy place, but I'm taking it. I went long at 36.
Oh, don't worry.
36.
I'm a king of crappy entries. To the...
But I am break even because I just don't want this thing to snap back.
Oh, there's no break even. I need my money.
I should probably take my points, but I'm going to let it run a little bit.
Ah, you're fine. Let's go to
I'll lock
Kelp
in some
Mid.
points.
Let's go
I'm gonna
to
lock in
Kelp
5
Mid YM.
points.
Well, let's hang out there. We're not going to do anything. I want to hang out at Kelp
Yeah,
Mid.
that's right, that's
do it
right,
so I can make
Savvy.
some money.
The market's great and easy when we're making money, for sure.
Come on.
My level's
Go
a
on.
little off here. Let's fix this. There we go.
Palm, did you like the Fall
Yep.
of Civilizations podcast?
I haven't. I
What
need
is
to-
that?
Oh.
Yeah,
It,
I haven't listened to a
it was- it was-
podcast in a
it's some-
long time.
oh, okay. I know you liked your the Mary Beard SPQR book of like the Romans. I thought you might be into your other
Oh,
ancient
yeah.
civilizations.
No, I do like that book. I haven't listened to podcasts in a long time though. I used to listen to them a lot when I used to drive a lot for a job, and I would just throw them in on the car. It's been a
Did you
while.
go to the gym?
Yeah,
Oh,
but I like
that.
listening to
Yeah, I
music.
got out too soon. I got it.
Okay. Come
I
on.
just didn't
Come
trust
on.
We're pushing.
There we go. All right.
I took my 20 points and I should have stayed.
All right. I've got $100 with my micros now.
Go.
Oh, that was a nice one.
We have some distance to traverse if we're going for overnight highs. But 498, whatever that is.
Yeah, Martin. I didn't know what play it was, so I just waited for Kev to take a position and then took the opposite. Generally, how you work it if you're confused.
Oh man.
Look at Kay. This is looking like down to me. Yeah. Didn't listen to any of you.
Yeah, this
TikTok open down from Kevin. Didn't listen to that. Traded the open down. Didn't listen to that.
Is,
See?
I'd like this pull back a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Agree. Maybe to 360-ish. Maybe a little more.
Kevin, I feel it might be time for you to change your YouTube comment. You can edit it, you know. Don't listen to my own calls. They will get you wrecked.
Long one from 366.
I know, I like it.
Let's go. Let's go.
I kind of
Filled
want it
out.
a little bit lower.
Oh! Oh wow, it's ripping.
Yeah, it
I
is.
just
right.
took my
Yep.
10.
Oh, okay. Wyme's not doing anything good.
So
Ah,
now I
it's
face my
ripping.
daily dilemma. I'm up $400 on this combine. Do I keep going for infinity?
Yeah.
Or do I play Fortnite?
And beyond.
Go and teabag
Exactly.
little Jimmy on Fortnite.
What if I just made like 50 grand on a combine in one day, you know? It'd be really fun.
Isn't Combine the eval? Or is that the
Yeah,
thing?
yeah.
Oh,
Okay,
right.
I'm-
Yeah, no, yeah. Go teabag little Jimmy.
Oh my god.
And we're all on a list.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, it's good to see
Oh,
that. Hey, in game, in game, in game.
Oh, my
Thanks for
God.
clarifying.
I mean, you're all making noises like I didn't. It wasn't in game, right?
All right, I'm gonna
You guys
try.
can
I'm gonna
bring
try the
allergies.
long here.
Oh no.
Anyone?
Huh?
You guys have spring allergies?
I do.
Yes. Yeah. The tree pollen is outrageous at the moment.
Same.
Oh, it didn't
All right.
fill me? Are you kidding me here?
Oh,
Dude,
now watch it. Just pop.
it left me behind at 80.25.
Oh,
How is that
That's
even
stupid.
possible?
look at it go. I'm sorry.
And it's popping.
Unbelievable. Chad, did you guys see that?
I can't wait for us to not see 80.25 all day.
Unbelievable.
Told you if you tried to trade the N key, you get angry.
Unbelievable. That was an immediate like 20 plus points. Probably more. Wow. Oh. Well, we're probably going back up to 500, guys.
Yep. Where are we going to, Wes?
At least
970.
500,
That's
I'm
correct.
thinking.
970.
Come on, give me a pullback and let me grab this.
I'm just gonna keep my cursor on 80.25 for the rest of the day. We're not gonna retrade it.
I know. Come on back down. Or if we do, it's gonna flush heavy.
Yeah, it'll flush heavy if
It's
we do.
500 points, just knife through.
Mm-hmm.
We're getting close.
I can't believe that didn't fill me. I was already putting my stop in, and then I saw my P&L not going anywhere. I'm like, wait, what happened here? Did I not get filled? Ridiculous.
Call the CME and ask for a refund.
Right?
Speaking of calls, I gotta call like three
Pretty
people today.
sketch. It didn't take that.
I know.
Pretty sketch.
Oh, hey, we hit it.
Yeah, I don't want it
Are you
now.
in? Nah, I wouldn't take it now.
I'm almost leaning short side now. It's starting to look pretty
That's
heavy.
pretty sketchy. Yeah. I don't
Financial juice. Trump accidentally spits in open casket at Vatican.
Oh my God! What mind comes up with this, Nems? What are you doing? Oh.
Let's see, what have we got going on the Dom here? Oh, I don't even know what to do.
Yeah, I don't know either.
Wait. I don't
Yeah,
know.
I'm not liking this right now. It's got to take a level or something.
The Celts are really expanded.
Alright, let's see what's going on in gold. Let's trade some gold. Nothing.
Dude, there's this guy in Good Gains that like he trades MNQ sometimes too, but mostly like micro gold or gold. And he
Yes, one
ran
more.
up 5 XFAs, took like a 40k payout, and then lost them. And I haven't heard from him since, and I'm kind of concerned because gold's been doing some like crazy stuff. So I like tagged him once and was like, "Hey, you good?" No response. I hope he's all right.
It's like when you DM me,
no
Palm.
kidding.
Yeah, it is, man. Just no response. I'm sure I'll hear back in like 4 weeks.
I mean, I reckon gold's gonna come down to below 3k.
At some point, it's got
Once
to.
everyone stops like crying and panicking. I need to put it in gold now. Oh mate, this egg is sick. It's got the milk chocolate buttons inside the egg.
You're living life over there.
Yeah. It's not even mine. It was a gift. It was a gift from my fiance from work. I've just stolen it.
I am short.
I went short at 82.
Whoa.
And I'm break even stop too. I'm gonna see what this thing does.
We're going to 970.
I'm putting a break even stop in as well. I kind of want it just to knife through 60 and plunge.
Yeah, I want to be break even just to see.
You have a work fiance. Yeah, it's Wes. Wes is my work fiance.
Come on. Just flush. You.
Flush it down. It's just being nasty because that. No,
Yeah.
it's about ready to take me out break even. Don't do it. Should have taken the points in this environment. Out break even. Should have taken the points.
Just take the long to 970.
No, that just held 360 pretty strongly. I think we're going
Yeah,
higher.
it did.
Yeah.
It did.
Kev, you're short. What do you mean you're short 358? I thought you were already short, and we've only just got up to 358. You added at 358, or you put on so many minis that your average entry is now 358.
Are you winning some?
So many minis.
It's looking to me like he's about to take 150 points of heat.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Kev, I told you we're going to close at 970.
Now watch it come. Now watch it flush after it breaks us out.
No, we're going up.
Yeah, it's going.
We're going
up.
up.
360 so strong.
People have been itching to buy stocks again.
Oh.
And you can see, I was looking at the gold charts at how gold's falling off, that it's coming back into like the NAS.
358. Jeez, Kev. There it comes back down again, Wes.
I know. I like downside, like I said, but
I did too, but it snapped up there just to. This 360 level's brutal.
YM, are you okay?
YM, are you okay?
I feel like he's going to get a stick and prod it to make sure it's still alive.
Reminds me of that meme.
Man, every time we hit 360, this thing holds.
Yeah, I mean we're going to 970. We got any earnings today?
I'm not sure. Look at Financial Juice. You have it free on Quantower.
Fridays are usually just morning earnings, I think. Nothing after the bell. I think. Don't quote me.
All right,
What's the Canadian snap election? What is that?
Canadian snap election?
Yeah. I didn't know they were having one. I mean, Monday is wild with earnings.
All right, there's 360 failing, finally.
Yeah.
320 bounce could be interesting.
What we've got? General Motors Monday morning, Pfizer, Coca-Cola, PayPal. And then after the bell, we've got Visa and Starbucks.
Baker Hughes rig count.
Oh yeah, that's gonna move the market.
Microsoft earnings and Meta on Tuesday.
Yeah, great.
I feel a prediction coming.
Don't do it.
Dave, are you short again?
Nope. I'm looking at it though.
Oh, okay. I thought that's what that don't do it was.
Oh no. I was talking and reacting to Nims.
Gotcha.
Man, buyers really trying to hold this 360 area, aren't they? I think All right, I'm short.
Next Thursday, Amazon and Apple. Are you winning?
Huh?
Are you winning?
Are you winning?
Yeah.
I'm eating my chocolate buns. I'm just checking.
Winning, son.
I am winning.
Oh,
I'm
you
short
little
as well.
fave. No, I mean, I want Wes to win, but I also want Kev to lose at the same time.
I'm
so
short
it is
as
a
well.
tricky
Oh,
position.
And I love it.
All right.
I've got overnight lows as a target now.
I should have held. Oh, you got out, Kev. Okay, that's good. All right,
Up
keep
50
going,
points.
Market.
I got
Keep
in at
going.
40, Wes. Where did you get in at?
43. I'm out. That was $1,000 trade, boys.
I'm
Nice.
up.
Well
I'm
done.
still in this, puppy. I'm still in it. Let's go.
Good job.
Let's go. Let's go. I'm up 57 points.
Just let it ride.
65 points.
Let it ride
I'm
all
letting
the way
this
down to
ride.
19,100.
Dude, we're knifing.
I'm going to
What
put
happened?
very good traders went short. 2 of them that I know of right now.
What a way to introduce that.
Yeah,
I'm up 77 points. Man, I don't know. Do I get out of this? Do I stay in it?
I think you stay in it. I think you get at least 19,100 out of it.
I'm getting, well, I had my original target. Over
My problem
lows,
was
but-
I don't like the snapbacks.
Yeah, well, I'm following it pretty hard. I'm at 60 points take profit right now if my stop loss. At 77 points, it's going to come back on me.
And I'm happy on a Friday that I generally don't trade very well on Fridays.
It's okay. That's okay. I got 60 points out of it. 62 points.
Oh, nice. You got more than me.
Yeah, I'll take that. Could have hit 77, but 62 is pretty nice.
When you win, bet more, Albu says.
Oh, that's so good. Boy, that was a nice trade.
Yeah, that was a fairly easy read there at 360 once we snapped. It
Yeah.
came back, retested it, held below. Like that was.
Well, I will
It's not
tell
bad.
you, we're in the silver bullet hour, and it created an inverse for value gap, so that was such an easy.
God, mute him.
God.
Mute him.
It
Huh?
was such an easy short. It was like
Palm, I know
a
you have
blind
something to
man could
say.
have done that.
I know Palm has something he's got to say right now.
ICT was whispering in his ear.
Yeah. Surely we get a Judas swing after Easter.
Oh
No?
my God.
What the Judas swing was the swing up. That's what I'm saying.
Oh, okay.
And then once it came down and formed an inverse fair value gap, it was just, I mean, how do you not take that? How do you not see it? That's what I'm asking.
Is that why you also took the trade?
That's why Wes took it. I know that. I mean, that's why I took it.
Oh, that's why I took it. Yeah, right. Maybe that's his brilliant marketing strategy is, hey, let's just create something everywhere for every possible scenario on the charts and name it something. And,
Yeah.
eventually one of them will be right. Oh, yeah, it was perfect. It was a perfect this. It was a perfect that.
I mean, I can't talk. This is how I operate with my predictions in earnings season.
Speaking of ICT,
Right.
anybody talk to Fletcher recently? I haven't seen him around at all.
No, I
No. No.
I need to reach out to him.
Oh,
I haven't heard from
yeah,
him in a
you're
while.
right. You're right about that.
What'd you do to Fletcher, Kevin?
I'll reach out to him too. In fact, I'll do that
Yeah, I
right
haven't
now.
heard from him in a little while. I just want to make sure he's doing all right.
What we're looking to do? Come back and take Kev out for break-even market. Want to look for a 315.
I mean, it should run these lows here at like what
I
is
sent him a
this?
D. I
Like,
sent him a
When,
message.
when's the When's the NQ ever done anything that it should do?
Okay. Yes, you're right.
Oh, Wes is right. It should. I mean, overnight lows now are on the table, so and beyond.
Yeah, I like that 100 to 120 area as a possible target if you are short. I mean, we're just right at point of control right now.
It'll
On the
snap
session.
here at some point.
Prior day point of control is slightly lower. At like we kind of bounced it actually.
Yeah.
Right there at 250.
See what ES is doing. Yeah, ES is leading the way down.
Did ES snap 5,500? Let me go back. Let me go back to the other charts now that I'm not in a trade. Kind of just have NQ massive on my screen right now.
That's all you need.
All you need, brother.
To get liquidated?
I'm sorry, aren't you up $1,000 right now?
Yeah, exactly.
I'm
What's the matter?
up 1185.
There you go.
Are we at the generational long level on the YM?
Generational long. What was that? 42K?
Where'd
Have we
you
even
come
got
up?
back
Oh.
there?
Oh, was it 42K? I was thought
Yeah,
it might have
I
been
want to
40K.
say your generational long was 42K on the YM.
All right, we're a couple of K. It was a couple thousand points down. right?
Yeah.
It'll
Thanks,
come
Albu.
back.
Thanks, Albu. Appreciate you. Yeah, that was a good short. It was quick too. That
Yeah, it
generally
was
doesn't
quick.
happen for me on my shorts. Generally, I have to fight them.
That seemed like a. Have you been talking to Brian? Because that was a very Brian Trades kind of trade.
Really?
Yeah, those are the kind of trades he takes, like the violent sell stop or buy stop moves.
He's
Like
really
break out
really
momentum
good
moves.
at scalping with some size though, isn't he? Like,
He is a dog. He
Yeah,
is so good at scalping.
I've noticed that, and he puts on size too, like probably 3 to 5 minis,
Yeah.
Wow.
and consistently has like $4,000 plus days.
Yeah, he's
Really,
good.
really good at scalping.
And he's that good?
I wish my he's not targeting a point. He goes for like 10 plus point moves.
Oh, okay.
But he's one of those guys that like religiously plays the murder algo, right?
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah.
But
And
I mean-
successfully does it.
I mean, he wouldn't need to get 10 points. Just size up to 20 minis and target 1 point.
Facts.
I just wish that my brain could compute information as quickly as that. You know, it just doesn't. That kind of trading style will. I don't think I'll ever be that.
Watching him live stream his trades would be very interesting. I don't think he ever does
He said he's at one point. This was prior to Christmas, so this was a long time ago that he would come on.
That'd be cool.
That would be cool.
But I want to see his charts, is what I'm saying.
Chris
wanna
and
see
I
him
have been-
actually execute.
Chris and I have been talking as well, so Chris might be on very soon.
Oh, nice. All right. Well, that's a quant tower issue. It's not a skill issue. Just got me out my lawn on the NQ. No, it's a quant tower issue.
We
I
were
agree.
we were so close to a glizzy on the YM, like extremely close.
I was
boy,
long.
that
Oh,
was
look at this
messed up.
guy. I was long at 255.
I might have just
I know.
fumbled the bag.
Yeah, I fumbled the bag.
Oh,
Oh, it's
What'd you
coming
do?
back. That was short. Coming back.
Okay.
Oh,
it's gonna come
right,
back for
okay.
you, I think.
Yeah. Why are you short, Pum?
Yeah.
The
Uh,
vibes told me to.
Palm, you got a lot of interest down here below 230.
The
Oh,
vibes
that
are
border
looking
board
good.
is strong.
I think.
I thought you were going to go and teabag little Jimmy.
Brother,
I was liking
what
the
are we
vibes
doing?
Just stop it.
It wants to go down. I break even. Give me the fill.
No, you should
I'm
be
filled
good.
out.
You should be good.
Nothing a 50-point stop won't handle, you know?
Micro.
I like your style. I just went short too.
This is an
many, so let's
eval.
go.
On an XFA, I'd be like 3 micros.
All right,
max,
we're-
but on
we
the
are-
eval, I'm just
If we
falling
drop a
out.
little bit lower, we are in. See, I don't know if I like the YM Glizzy print there though, because of how far away all the other indexes are.
Man, this thing's
We
like
actually gonna get Glizzy?
I mean, we're pretty close. We're about
Oh yeah.
70 points away.
Okay. I can take that, and it's the nicest index to take a Glizzy on at the moment.
Listen, man, I just need some glizzy.
I need the other
Soft.
indexes to be a lot closer, I think. Especially, I really like, my key for these things is reading the ES and how close it is to like either the expected range levels or a glizzy print itself. And that's what I use. Because you know how the YM and RTY have a lot of prints on a lot of the signals that it gives off
Yeah.
you? You know, you have 20 plus prints. Normally I wait until
YM
ES.
especially loves.
Yeah. I normally am looking at ES levels when those other indexes start printing to see if we have a little bit more room to go to a major level.
Gotcha.
And that's how I'm making my reads.
I like that.
It keeps you out of the noisy prints, at least.
Yeah, I've noticed that YM and RTY, like you're saying with RTY, I like to grind it out a lot.
Yeah.
Maybe that has something to do with the lower volume. I'm not sure.
It could be.
But they definitely are slower. Take their time. Like you'll be sitting in the trade longer.
Oh, of course you're going to pump away from the print. I still like more downside, guys, so... Why is Kev asking how you're doing, Nims?
I'm doing great. I mean, what do we want? We want to do you, not posting dollars and posting points. I'm up.
Oh my gosh.
I'm up 80 points. 80 points today, Kevin. And if you want to know what indicator I was using, I was just looking in the chat for your position and fading you. That was the truth.
I'll take that, Kevin. Double down.
Nah. He's not. I've still got beef. He refused to wish me good luck for my proposal yesterday. Yeah. Yeah. I was going out. I was in the voice chat. I was like, all right, good it go. Wish me luck. Refused to wish me luck. And then refused to tell me how he managed to empty out an entire boardwalk for his own proposal.
Did he do that? That's amazing.
He said that there was no. Yeah, he said. I said, was that? I said I proposed on the boardwalk, and I said, did you get down on one knee? And they said, yeah. And I said, were there other people there? And he said, no. And then I asked him, how did you get rid of all the other people?
It was a blizzard.
He blocked.
He actually blocked you in the main chat. I see how it is, Kevin. I see.
Damn.
Wow. You faded me. Oh my God.
I remember Kev back in the day.
His channel's getting flagged.
He blocked everybody in
Oh,
good games.
everybody.
Literally
Only-
everybody.
And like as a default, he would do it.
Did you block me because I started marketing my signals, my earning season signals group, by using screenshots of your 170 point loss to show members what they could earn? Whenever I listen to you, I lost money.
It's true. It's true. I hate to...
I mean, in all fairness, he probably didn't take the trade based on your call out. He probably had something lined up with your call out. But,
Yeah, and then he blamed me for it. Okay. Right?
Yeah. I mean, what's he
And then
supposed to do? He can't blame the EMA. He can't blame the 22
No.
bar.
No. All right.
They're
And
data
you can't
driven.
And if you're going to blame me and put all responsibility on me, then I am welcome to use that as a marketing tool for my signals group.
Well, I break my rules by listening to him too, but that's just in general.
Yeah, I'm showing potential buyers what they could earn in earning season.
That's so good.
How did you propose, if you don't mind me asking, Ryan? We went to, there's like a Michelin star restaurant near me, which is like our favorite restaurant. I booked in a table there like early, and then went down. It's like near to the beach in Brighton, and then went down on the beach. The beach was quiet, and like sun was setting, so I proposed there, and
Nice.
that was it. And then we went for ice cream.
Ah, yes,
Successful
the
date to me, it
dairy
sounds
after
like.
the proposal.
Yeah, that's correct.
The sweet
yeah.
dairy after the proposal.
Yeah. Dave doesn't have any rules.
Rules: market must be moving.
Yeah.
And it's not moving right now.
Dave's heart must still be beating.
Yeah.
That's the only rule that he engages in his trading. That's it.
That's actually
Yeah.
a good
Can I
rule.
feel my
Uh,
heartbeat?
Good rule.
There's an initial rule book, but then when the market like moves like 20 points in 1 second, that rule book just gets torn up then, and Dave's like, I'm hopping on this puppy.
Caught that short.
What?
You like
This
this
is,
fair value gap here?
This is boring.
Judas reversal.
I'm telling you, the
Fair value
Yeah,
gap is fair value gapping.
it's fair value gap. Kevin's right. Lunchtime
Yeah.
reversal is a big one too.
Dave, how did you propose?
We went to a nice Italian dinner and we had some cocktails and we took a walk and and it was in a park and I proposed that way.
Oh, okay. And did you want to change your ring, or did you get it right?
Oh, I got it right. Now,
Okay.
I will say this. I guess, you know what? Maybe I didn't because 8 years ago we had.
I haven't seen that ring since.
Yeah. No, I mean, for our 20, I think it was our 25th. We went to a jeweler nearby here that we know they do a lot of estate sale stuff too, and they also will do custom design for you, and we had it redesigned. All the same stones, but we had it redesigned. So I guess maybe I didn't get it right.
No, I know. I mean, yeah, it's lasted 20 years. Tastes change.
So.
Okay, what are we doing, market?
Nothing.
Dude, I don't know.
No,
Just back to
yeah.
opening range, back to the US. It's one of those days.
Yeah, it is one of those days. We're gonna go right back to 360, aren't we?
I
Mm-hmm.
mean, not taking overnight low, that failure swing is brutal. And that just is rocket fuel if that's the case.
Am I still long on the YM? What's your break even? No, Kev, I got out of the YM.
Need to hide all this. There we go.
Well, I learned the lunchtime reversal from Kev. I mean, that typically, it doesn't play all the time, but boy, it plays pretty good.
Well, unfortunately, what would be the reversal today? We're stuck in a range.
Well, yeah, I mean, if you're range bound, it's not a. But if you're moving and you take out some key points, and especially around lunchtime, it's nice.
What's the lunchtime reversal when you're looking for a pulse in the YM?
I mean, we are fairly split on the Dom right now too, on NQ. I mean, this is what the Dom looks like. I'll drag it over.
Yeah.
Honestly, Kevin's EMA is 37R is on NQ is
No,
gold.
no praising it. No
Looks like-
praising
I'm
it.
telling you, it
It's
is.
like biggest draw is up here at 500.
Mm-hmm. I reckon 15% of doctors would declare the YM dead.
If you can't feel your heartbeat, you're betting too small, Martin. Yeah, I mean, valid.
Yeah, that's true.
Valid.
Actually,
Valid.
the Russell is the one which you really have to check for a pulse on it.
Yeah, it was moving nice when we had that like really volatile days, but now it's just kind of slowed down back to what it was. 4 points.
All right, no print and back to Celt mid on the
Look at
YM.
this thing, yeah. That failure swing was That's a beautiful, and that's what I look for too. If you've got a failure swing like that, then yeah.
Okay, if this thing rejects 360, guys, I may not be taking another trade here.
It just did.
I know.
Yeah, it's doing that.
I mean, you're fine. You got your $1,000. That's
Yeah.
good for Friday.
What am I? 1185.
Yeah, that's great.
And it was a quick one too. I mean, what was I in that? 30 seconds? A couple minutes maybe, max.
Yeah, it was a nice trade.
Martin, I think in some ways Kevin can be a range trader when he's basing stuff off the 37R. That's for him as a range.
If I was copy trading 20 accounts, that would be a massive, massive day.
Yeah.
It would. That'd be large.
And why aren't you with the Apex 90% sale on? Have they extended it?
They would find a reason to deny that payout, let me tell you.
Have they extended their sale? Because it's meant to be just till Thursday. But I reckon, I know them. They love a sale extension.
It all depends, because what did they have to pay a trader out like 2.4 mil or something like that? So they got to make their money back.
They had to pay him out, or they pretended to have to pay him out?
He probably did everything by the book. To the point where if they denied, it was a major lawsuit.
Yeah.
Because 2.4 million, you can't be like, hey, yeah, he will hire legal help. I know I would if 2.5 million was on the table. I'll tell you that.
That's right.
Kidding me? You're not gonna jip me out of 2.5 mil. Especially if I followed all your rules. So yeah, they have to pay those out. And don't get me wrong, that's not anything to them. They're making way more than that, but
Let's have a look. What's that say?
okay. Like, come on, let's do something here.
Yeah, this is rough.
Oh my goodness.
It's unbelievable.
It do be like that.
Do we just range out till till end of day, you know?
Wait, I've still got an Apex account. Oh, I didn't even realize I've still got 25k.
Like a funded?
Just logged in. Yeah. I completely forgot about it. I paid lifetime on it.
Well, there you go. That's
the.
Don't you have to take a trade? I know with Take Profit Trader on your funded account, you have to take a trade once a week.
Apparently not. I've had it since the 17th of July, 2024.
I want to say Top Step is the same. I think you have to place a trade once every, like, I don't know.
Well, try to place a trade then, see if it's still active.
Yeah, throw on like 5 YM long right now.
I mean, I don't even know. I need to work out my login details to like try and get it back up.
Nim just has a random funded account just laying around that he didn't know about.
That's just hilarious.
Oh, I thought it was dead, but it's not dead. Okay. What's
How much
the?
Strava do you have? $4. I could show you.
No, I got like
PAs have,
$200,
$20
like
if you want
$200 or something on it.
Oh, that's manageable. I mean, it's tight, but it's manageable.
When was the last trade I took on it? The 30th of September.
You remember?
Jesus.
Yeah.
My finger was.
Wait, can I just use? Can I
short
use? Hey, can I just use this for the glizzy? Is this just like permanent?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
It's a rhythmic, right?
Is it rhythmic?
Yeah. So I can just use that for thingy. Oh,
Yeah,
mate,
so
perfect. Fucking wasting money.
I've been doing that. I have my PAs that have like $20 in drawdown, but they're all lifetime, so I just use them for data for the glizzy.
Yeah. Okay. If only I knew. What's the accounts? How much is an account?
Let's do this.
Yeah, it really wants to pop. Itching for it.
Itching.
I know, but how do you take the 360 long here after what we've
can't.
seen?
No, I know.
I mean, you
I know.
can't.
Yeah, no.
What is this? Is this 90% off? Or is it 80%?
Yeah, see,
I think
20,
it's
20,
8
20
Look at
points
that.
smack
Look
there
at
if you're
that.
taking the 360 long. And now it's going to knife back down to 320.
It's just the craziest point right here.
Yeah, I'm not.
Nah.
I'm doing nothing here.
Nah, you go long. You go long. You target 970.
You're crazy.
What do you mean? Dave,
What do you mean?
Dave, we've been, 98% inaccuracy with my calls. 98% inaccuracy. Right?
Yeah, I mean that's and that is the only thing accurate about it is that figure.
Yeah.
Okay, that was pretty funny.
It's just earnings season, right? Like that's when Nims.
I mean, I don't take any trades like based on what I call. I mean, Kevin takes trades based on what I call.
Real guru activity there.
Yeah, we only get it 4 times a year. We only get the Nims epic, atrocious
Yeah.
callouts 4 times a year.
And
so-
you missed what did you miss last earnings season because I was ill.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Earnings season, and I believe you do FOMC as well, and CPI.
Yeah,
Specialties.
FOMC, I'm like 99% inaccurate.
Damn.
I get that.
Oh my gosh, that's too good.
I'm a fade
How many
to follow.
how many FOMCs do we have per year?
Kevin's out here talking to the Nightbot.
Yeah.
I support this channel. That's right. He does post his trades though.
Mm.
I never even pay attention to the Nightbot. Mason's got that thing all set up.
Yeah.
Gentlemen, I won't lie. I was long for 46 quarter there.
Way to keep it quiet. Yeah, way yet again.
Yep, give me that.
You're only-
Give me that, Phil.
Kevin.
Oh, you're still long? Oh, you said
Yeah.
you said it past tense.
No, I'm still in.
You shouldn't have said anything.
Yeah, it's gonna break even now, isn't it?
What was the call out from Kevin the other day? At Nim Kramer, when I call out numbers, they are based upon reality. I expect the same from you.
Shots. Those sound like fighting words.
Nightbot's your only friend, Kev?
Me personally, I'd fight him.
Yeah. He blogs your only other friend on Discord.
Alright, I got break even.
All right, when are we going to moonshot to 970?
I don't think we're going to.
What we are, okay. I've predicted it. We will go. It's just when.
I mean, we're coming up on lunch hour already, and we've
it's 10:50.
just bounced in between 2 levels.
Yeah, he hasn't done too much. I agree.
I haven't blocked him yet.
Oh, Nightbot's your only friend. You haven't blocked him yet. Oh, there it goes.
Hey, F-
Just enough
There
to
it
sweep
goes.
you out, Palm. NQ doing NQ
Yeah.
tings.
I know, it's because I went break even, but I did not want to have the risk on there. The VWAP is just a little too
this is
appetizing.
crazy.
Right inside of opening range, like dead center.
Yeah, it's brutal.
Yeah, this is crazy.
Whoa.
Bitcoin just hit a 30-day. Can that thing just
Die.
crater already?
Yeah.
What
All right. Bitcoin to 130k. So I probably have to write in Discord for it to die.
NQ just FT tenor. Yeah, NQ does that. Honestly, Dave and I caught the one good trade. The one good trade of the day so far.
I mean, seriously, yeah. That was a nice quick dump.
Yeah, you
Bitcoin
don't
95k.
Tanner, you don't want to be executing at VWAP. You want to be trading into VWAP in the already be in the trade, be in the position. And then that's your decision whether to cut it or not. Yeah, Martin. It all needs to die.
Not a big crypto guy, huh?
It's the biggest
Nope.
Ponzi scheme of all time.
Nope.
It's just the value of it is whatever people think it's worth. Like,
French
Uh,
tulips. That's all I'm going to say.
Palm,
yeah, exactly.
do you,
Yeah, French tulips is right.
Palm, do you own do you own any magic coins?
I did, but I sold them all for like a $20 profit.
Okay. I mean, where's his talking shit? He's got some magic coins. I know.
Do you really?
Yeah. What magic coins do you own?
I own some
Fartcoin?
Shiba.
Yeah, there you go.
Nice. It's a quality.
He's got his
investment.
magic. He's got his magic dog coins.
Nice. That is a quality investment if I've ever seen one.
In
Yeah.
fact, it's my only investment on Robinhood. Did you
How much
guys
put you
see?
down?
So I was watching TV the other day, and there was actually a commercial for a desktop full trading platform version coming out for Robinhood, or maybe it's out already. I didn't even know that existed.
I swear Robinhood was doing well that they finally made it profitable.
Robinhood, I mean, I would imagine they do okay.
Yeah, up 81% in the last 6 months, the stock, and that's after a pullback.
It's the easiest, most accessible platform
Whoa.
to do options on, right?
Nate, look at these figures.
I don't. I mean, I understand fundamentally. I just don't understand it enough to even want to trade options. Do options.
Net income up 2,900%. Revenue up 115%.
Sheesh.
Yeah. Net profit margin 90.34% profit margin. Jesus.
We might have the breakout coming.
Yep. To the moon.
In fact, if it doesn't break out, I will not be trading the rest of the day.
Yeah, it doesn't break. Yeah, I agree with that. If it doesn't break out from here, forget it.
We will be calling it a session.
All right. Well, I'm trying the long.
It's getting jumpy. It's getting jumpy though.
Yeah,
come on.
it's not looking good, is it?
No,
No.
God.
right back
No.
down.
Right back down.
All I can do is add here, right?
Look at that.
Yeah, Martin, I feel like I'm on repeat.
Kevin.
What terrible action.
How many topside 1 minute wicks is this? 1, 2, 3,
Look, it's bad,
4,
isn't it?
5, 6. 6 topside wicks at 360. 7. VIX is up and we're doing this.
It's getting a bit spooky.
37-point pullback, Kev says.
Hmm.
This is crazy. Look at that 1 minute brutal.
I mean,
Let me out. I don't want to be in this anymore. I don't like it.
I don't.
All right, I'll lower my target. Thank you.
NQ doing NQ things.
Yeah. It's brutal.
All right, let me out.
Palm, what
Thank
you
you.
got over there?
Thank you.
I'm getting hungry too. Salad? Caesar?
Oh, no.
Caesar.
I've never been opposed to a good Caesar salad.
Look at this.
Yeah. Did you get out, Nims? Were you able to DCA your way out?
Yeah, it just took a few attempts at it.
I got some Caesar salad, some chicken wings, and pizza left over from last night for lunch.
Nightbot. Nightbot. What do you think? What do you see? All right. The rejection at 360 there is
Brutal.
oh
Brutal.
my gosh,
Brutal,
man.
brutal.
Yeah. Why is Tesla up 6% again? I've never seen worse earnings than that.
Looks like downtown, huh?
Gee.
You say that, but we're going to get down to 230, 240, and we're going to test it a couple times, and then it's going to go back up to 360.
There's a order block setting at 245 that is just brutal on the 5-minute.
Private chat, he said sell 316.75. Kev's having a full-blown conversation with the night right now.
What's this? Oh, Tesla didn't include its crypto losses in its earnings. And even without its crypto losses, it was still down 70% on its net income and profit margin.
Yeah, Martin, Musk is stepping down from Doge.
Okay, that doesn't mean that the stock should pump 20%.
As a private citizen, you can only do that for 100 and some odd days out of a 365, out of a year period.
Yeah.
So that was coming in May anyway, no matter what. Otherwise, he'd have to give up his stakes in his companies.
Yep.
I mean, I don't think it helps if he focuses on his responsibilities. When he was there, he was the one who stopped them producing normal cars and was like, "Let's do the Cybertruck," and that went well.
Well, I mean, eventually people are going to get away from the electric vehicles. Not entirely. They'll just go to hybrid.
Yeah, but so many other manufacturers make better stuff. Yeah.
I mean, everything he's done is geared towards going to Mars. Creating Tesla, or taking Tesla and doing what he did, SpaceX, and even the Boring Company. All of that is geared towards his goal. And now he just happens to be really good at making money with all of those things.
Oh, he's a brilliant mind.
People who criticize him and think that I just don't understand that. That say
he's a weirdo. Person. Don't get me wrong. Like he's a strange man.
No, that's not what I'm saying. I'm talking about his business savvy. It's just
he's lost his edge on his business savvy in the recent years. I agree when he made his come up, yes, but like in recent years, the Boring Company's not making any profit. SpaceX is in a bit of ruin. The purchase of Twitter was terrible. Tesla's down 70%.
SpaceX is gonna carry 90% of the load this year that goes into space. I don't understand.
Yeah, and SpaceX is doing great.
SpaceX is doing great. The Boring Company was made specifically so that when they go to Mars, he understands because of the radiation you're going to have to do. I mean, just read when you. That's what he's doing. Is everything's geared towards that. Even buying X in a way is geared towards that too. So I don't know. Well, I mean, Starlink, same thing.
Starlink's good.
I just don't understand people.
Amazon's looking like it's going to go and take over from Starlink.
Amazon, yeah. Well, I guess they can keep putting whoever they put up into their little suborbitals.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. That was the plan. That's what Amazon have been spending their money on. And then you can get with your Amazon Prime, you can also get like a Starlink subscription for like Wi-Fi anywhere.
Yeah. I used to think kind of say, you still got like that's why I never bought Tesla. I wish I would have. It's like, well, you still got to be a car company. You still got to build cars. I just can't believe he's not and bam, just did what he did with it. It's like, wow, okay.
There's the benefit of the cult-like following for the investors pushing his company price far more than what it should be. If you look at all the other companies, like car companies, which are trading between like a 5 to 10 PE ratio, and then there's Tesla trading at like 130 because all his followers are going, nah, but the next thing's going to be really good. The next thing's
Well,
going to be really good.
How he chose the even his AI I think is pretty good.
Wait, Dave, we're going to bore everyone. We can chat after we end the stream because I'm pretty sure Wes is hungry.
I'm getting there.
Yeah,
well, look at this market.
Getting there.
Market's
Palm's
not doing
making me
a damn
hungry.
thing.
He's been smacking on that salad for the last 10 minutes.
You hear that?
I can't hear it. I just see your mouth
Okay, good.
chomping away.
I was about to say that's my bad. That's not cool. On my part.
Well, look at this
So I
market.
have the
This is
mic on.
brutal.
And it's kind of close.
Little
to it.
Palmetto
Yeah,
chewing
it's
ASMR.
Yeah, that's. You get that for free. You gotta pay for that one.
It's so good.
No, we can't hear it.
Dude, we are pinned to opening range.
I know, bro.
Yeah.
It's
We
bad.
are.
VWAP is like quite literally dead center of opening range.
It's-
Like it is
it's
just
true.
smack in the middle.
This might be the day. I mean, this might be what the day is.
It could be.
I mean, I feel just with the volatility that by Friday, most traders have either been margin called or are dead.
Well,
They just have to
yeah.
wait for
I
next
mean,
week's for
here's
new
the-
ones to appear.
Here's the thing: is shorts are having to cover at this point. Like,
Yeah.
even swing shorts are starting to have to cover. So, but there's not any buying going on either.
Yeah.
Where we're at.
Nope.
I think he's right though. On by Friday.
Yeah. Everyone's had enough.
So yeah, it's probably going to be pretty garbage today. You might get an afternoon push, right? But I have a feeling it's either going to be slow grind up, or we're going to stay in this range till later in the day.
Is this it?
Afternoon
Or are we
push
doing it
to
right here?
970.
Is
So you
this,
just have.
is this it? Palm, we've said that
Yeah,
how
is
many
this
how
it?
many
Is
times
this
have we
it?
said that?
Look, it's going up.
Just
Going
right
up.
back into today's point of control and smack.
Thought we had a shot for a moment. Oh, it's
No.
back up. It's back up. Look,
People have made too much money of just shorting at 360 for it to stop now. There you go, Wes. Just short 360 and long 330.
No, I'm good. I played my 360 short.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. You got the actual short. All right, should we call it? I'm tired.
Yeah, I'm thinking we're probably gonna end the stream there. Let's see what happens here on this push to 360, and then
No, nothing's gonna
I
happen.
know.
Kev, take a short so something can happen. Take a 360 short.
Oh my gosh.
Guess out this range. Kev's target is 273. Put a little ad up here. Couple of minis, Kev.
I might be long from 50.
Okay.
Nice.
Hypothetically, of course.
Okay.
In game.
In game.
I'm a terrible breakout trader, I've noticed. Point of control's at right at 50.
Excellent.
Look at that. Look at that. I'm just gonna pin myself right there.
Something's about to happen though.
Is it?
It's jumping. I mean,
Is
it
it really?
definitely jumping around.
Is
Yeah.
it really?
Yeah. It's jumping up and down on the same spot. Well, I can see.
It's
It's
jumping.
running in place.
It is jumpy.
To me,
Yeah.
it just looks like it wants to sweep out those highs at 60.
Hey, Mason, you decided to join us? Are you live from Spain?
It wants to at least take out those 1 minute wicks.
Yeah, that's what
I
I'm
mean-
targeting. Like, that's my point to point, is just from inside the range to the edge of the range.
I mean, it just looks like it's revving its engine at the lights.
I got break even. All right, I'm done for the day.
Yeah.
It's pretty.
It's gonna sweep in now, though. Hop back in right now.
Mason, I thought of you last night.
Oh, Paul.
went to a Michelin-star restaurant. They sat us down at the table and they said,
Hold on,
"Would you like
hold
some water?"
Hold on.
What a lead in there. Hey, Mason, I thought of you last night.
No, that's right, yeah.
Mason, I proposed to my fiance yesterday, and I thought of you last night.
I feel. The thing is, every restaurant I go to now, I'm going to think of you. Because of, whenever you sit down and they offer you water, you just come to mind.
I have no words.
That's pretty funny.
Alright, I'm gonna hit the lockout.
All right.
Yes,
Yeah.
lockout.
Yeah.
Oh, man. Now's when it pops. You know
Yeah,
that.
probably.
No.
Oh, look at that.
No, just
It took
just
those
smack
wicks
back down.
No.
It would have hit my target though. My target was just below the high of the range, like a point in.
Wow, it just
Oh,
met
wow.
those top wick and never broke them.
Yeah.
Wow.
All right, guys, let's call it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
At least then maybe we can provide an end of day or end of stream pump or dump for these guys that are.
Yeah,
drinking,
yeah.
So
Just a reminder, we will be closing at 9:70 today. Now, I know that you might think that this does not look possible, but you're just going to have to wait, and in the words of Anon, believe. So,
Why?
All right, Nims, you want to take us out this time? You want to give the outro speech?
no. I mean, I gave my outro speech. I mean, if you DM me if you want the earning seasons signals group, lots of big earnings coming up, lots of accounts I could liquidate for you. But at least you can say it wasn't your fault when they do liquidate.
By the way, I'm long at 348.
Dave, you got anything to tell everybody?
No,
I'm
so he's long.
at 348.
Okay, all right.
He's still over there clicking buttons. Okay. Palmetto is probably going to clean up his dish. So yeah.
Yeah. Look at that room. It's immaculate. There's no dishes going to be left in there.
I know. Look at the bed.
That is like marine style folding there.
Yeah.
All right, chat.
Did you work in a hotel?
Enjoy your weekend, chat. We'll see you. We'll see you in a week. Well, everybody but Palmetto will see you in a week. Palmetto has jury duty, I believe, next Friday.
Oh, Paul. All right, I'm out. Break even.
So yeah. All right, guys. Enjoy your weekend. Peace.
Bye, everyone.
Yeah.